how to fix YouTube video volume or sound keeps getting lower on the Samsung or on your Android device. So first, go back to your home screen, and what you want to do is open up the YouTube app. So here I already have the YouTube app open. So while you are playing the YouTube video, you want to tap on the settings icon at the top corner. From the pop-up, tap on additional settings. Then in here, tap on the stable volume button. So this feature here will automatically readjust the volume level. Sometimes you may want to increase the volume instead of letting the app automatically setting the volume for you. So you want to switch that off. So make sure that is turned off. So go into additional settings and make sure this option is switched off. And you might have to play a video for that to work. So I've noticed when I play videos, that will allow me to turn off. So you can see here says stable volume is off. So make sure that you are playing a video. Otherwise, you may not see that settings, or you may not be able to switch it off. So turn it off, and now your video should have no more issue with the sound getting too loud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.